Hey, it's your favorite alopecia princess, Action Jacqueline. Thanks so much for tuning in to the Alopecia Princess Show. I hope you princesses are doing great. I certainly am, because I'm so excited to tell you guys about this product that I've been using for the past 2 weeks. If you watch my channel, then you know I don't spend a lot of time doing product reviews, mostly because I only review things when I absolutely love them or when I absolutely hate them. There's very few products that I feel that strongly about, but guys, this shampoo and conditioner combination has changed the way that I feel about synthetic wigs. I am not being paid to do this review. I bought these products with my own money, and I don't even mind doing a free review for this product because I feel like they've already put money back in my pocket. So what you see me wearing today is the Butter Unit number 6 by Sensational, this exact same piece that I unboxed for you guys 2 weeks ago. At that time, I was running an experiment to see for how long I could hold on to a budget wig from the beauty supply store. In that video, I was wearing the same unit, a different one though, and it had been 8 days. And I didn't like the way it looked on that 8th day, and I felt like I wanted to change it. A lot of people told me that they thought that the unit was just fine and that I could definitely wear it for another week or so. I just didn't feel that. And in fact, the following day, I pulled this one out, and I've been using it ever since. That I've been using the shampoo and conditioner combo exclusively. And here's how it looks. I'm going to try to insert a clip so that you can see how the piece looked when I wasn't using this product.
I've since thrown this wig away, but it is the Butter Unit 6 on day 8 of wear, just like the one I'm wearing in the current video. I washed it every day with wool detergent and fabric softener, but nonetheless, by day 8, she was looking stringy and plasticky. There were snags, knots. It also felt dry and crunchy.
That wig that I was wearing in the last video, I thought for certain that I was going to throw it away. But then this product finally came to me in the mail. And when it did, I immediately soaked the wig in the shampoo and conditioner. I was able to get 6 more wears out of it. I got a full 14 days instead of the 8 days that I thought I was going to get. It's already saving me money.
This is it, guys, the product I've been raving about. It's called the Brandywine Shampoo and Conditioner. I loved it so much that even though I bought it on Amazon, I had to go to the website and just see what this product was all about. And I found out that it was made by a company called the Wig Company. Maybe you've heard of it. I have in the past. I just didn't know they had this line of products. According to the website, it restores softness, shine, and a healthy look to your wigs. I did notice that they have a whole lot of other products. As you can see, they have like a aerosol spray, a wig luster conditioner, like a leave-in spray, and a volumizing mousse, something I think I'd be interested in trying because I'm beginning to appreciate tall hair. And that's kind of hard to get with synthetic wigs, or to maintain with your synthetic wigs. But yeah, definitely run out and get this product.
Welcome to the loo. I'm in my bathroom, and I wanted to show you guys how I go about washing my wigs each day. So I went searching in my wig repository for a wig that was kind of dingy and old and that really needed to be restored, but ironically I couldn't find any. You know why? Because I have already started using the Brandywine products on all the wigs that I have in my collection, so they're all in pretty decent condition. But I found one wig anyway. I wore it on Friday to work, and I did not wash it after I wore it.
So I'm starting with a sink half filled with warm water, and then I'm going to add some of the Brandywine shampoo to that water, just a capful. You don't need a lot of product. And then I'm going to try to get that suds, nice lather going. And I'm going to comb through the hair, get the snags out, get the knots out. As you can see, this wig is already in good condition. I started using the product on it already, and it's already began to work its wonders. So yeah, anyway, I'm just going to try to soak that wig into the water and leave it there for a little while. So about 10 minutes has gone by, and now it's time to wash all that shampoo out of the wig. Just demonstrating here what the water looks like after 1 day's wear. It's not too murky, not too bad. As you can see, some strands came loose while I was shampooing the wig, but that's not so unusual. It is a budget-friendly wig, so can't complain too much, right? At this point, guys, this wig is giving me human hair vibes. Look at that movement. Okay, so now I'm adding the conditioner. I'm basically repeating the same process I used with the shampoo. I'm gonna put one cap full, leave it in for a few minutes, and come back to it in a little bit. So I let it sit in the conditioner for the next 10 minutes. And now I'm rinsing that out again. Once I've squeezed all the water that I can out of the wig, I lay it on a towel, pat it dry, and hang her up in my shower.
Hey, I'm back. Okay, so it's been maybe 3 hours since I washed the wig. Now it's completely dry. I don't find a lot of people on YouTube talking about the lifespan of budget wigs, and I'm not sure why that is. Honestly, if you spend $70 on a wig and then realize after a week that you don't want to wear it anymore because it's embarrassing you, you're not able to run your finger through it. That's kind of upsetting. So I think it's an important thing to talk about. Anyway, this product here has like increased the life of all my wigs, and that's why I wasn't able to find a nice, crunchy, old, scraggly wig to demonstrate this product with, because as soon as I got this and used it for the first time, I was so impressed with it that I took all the wigs out my library and washed all of them in this product, and they all look great now. Anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching. Please run out and get yourself a couple bottles.
Someone's at my door.
Okay, thanks. Bye.